One of my affiliates made $3,071 in passive affiliate commissions from only 460 people. What does that mean? I will explain that in a moment, but before that, we need to be excited about this.
So Google just released an insane new AI image editor called Nano that's honestly completely mind-blowing.
And it looks like people are using it the wrong way. Some smart people, like this affiliate, is cashing in easily using affiliate marketing. So let me show you how it works. We will be using this video as an example because this channel has only 1,000 subscribers, but it got 11,000 views on this video. And the video is about how I make viral 3D videos, AI tools, YouTube automation. I watched it and I loved it. So I want to share with you quickly. The system is called Sparks. We will use Google's Nano in step number 2.
Being to pick up viral video ideas. To generate video ideas, we are going to train ChatGPT to act as our topic generator. Now, this is the part where most people go wrong because they just asks it to generate some random topic. So we are doing something different and training it to generate viral video ideas based on the ones that have already gone viral. So the first thing you need to do is find a channel already making a lot of viral videos, like our example channel called Fern. Then copy the titles of their most viral videos. And after you have 5 to 10 different titles, go to ChatGPT and write this prompt. And don't worry, I have put this in a free Google Doc. Then paste all the video titles under it. Then ChatGPT will act as your content strategist and help you generate viral video.
Don't worry, you don't need anyone's prompt. Go to ChatGPT and say, I want to achieve this. Can you write a prompt for me? The prompt should be as detailed as possible. Also, let me know what should I learn about prompting. So next time I can guide you better. ChatGPT will open its heart and teach you how to write your own prompt. In fact, how to prompt AI to write prompts for you. We know money is a byproduct of what we give first. And that's why we make these videos every single day with the hope that at least one viewer will get one help from our videos. If that happens, we will consider this our greatest success. But we cannot keep on doing it without your help. And for that, the only thing we need from you is like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Because if you do that, YouTube will consider this video as an important video and they will share it with more and more people. And if more people gets benefit, you will be the part of the blessing, inshallah. So please go ahead, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, social media contacts, subscribe yourself, and ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you will help us get 10,000 followers in next 3 months. We need your help, because we cannot do it without you. I'll give you a second for taking action, and then let's go watch the rest of the video.
Ideas. As you can see, it gave us 10 different video ideas which are looking great. Choose any of these ideas you like, and let's move on to our next step.
So step number 1, scout viral ideas.
We got the video idea. It's time to generate engaging scripts. These days, people have a very low attention span thanks to TikTok and YouTube Shorts. So you need to be very careful while generating your script. The more engaging the script is, the more time people are going to watch your videos, and the more the time people spend on your video, it will get pushed by the algorithm. What I am trying to say is that in order to get more views, you need to have very engaging scripts. And to make an engaging script, we need a highly detailed prompt, which tells ChatGPT exactly what kind of scripts we need. But you don't need to worry about all that because I have already made a very detailed prompt. So you just need to paste the prompt and then paste your video idea you want to generate script on. And that's all. You've got yourself an engaging script. And as you can see, ChatGPT have...
By the way, did you notice that video is made with AI? Even the avatar is AI. And it's super engaging, right? So step number 2, use AI to plot a script. And now you might be asking, Mosh, where is Google's Nano Banana? Banana is the next step, don't worry.
Have gave us a very good script with great storytelling. Now we are done with the script. We need to generate actual animations. So what I've noticed is that these creators combine both 3D animations with real pictures and some other effects like this paper animation to make their whole video. But first, we will focus on 3D animation. So to generate animations, we first need to generate an image and then convert it into a video to get...
Now he will show you how to use ChatGPT. I will show you how to use Google's Nano Banana. So I took a screenshot from another video just to use as an example. I went to Claude because I love Claude. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Google, your choice. And I asked, I want to create similar 3D AI image. Write a detailed prompt for me. You can do the same with any other application. Like let's use Google. Copy, go to Gemini, paste this the image and type this. Ask AI to write a prompt for you so that you can use the prompt on AI. It's like a language native is teaching you how to use their language. Isn't this the right way to do it? Now copy this prompt, Control C, and go to Gemini again. But this time we want to click Tools, go to Create Images, and I can see that little banana icon. This should be it. Control V, hit Enter. Let the banana take over. And guess what? The banana image is ready. It's still AI looking, like not exactly human looking, right? So I would say this looks like AI made. Make it hyper realistic. The reason for this is that we asked for 3D. When we say 3D, it's like a 3D character, and it gave you pretty much the same thing. So I would ask for change the shirt color to complementary with the bed color and draw a nice design. The shirt with the text Nano Banana. I think this is a good one. And just like a beginner, I think I'm not using it to the full potential because of lack of knowledge. What do you do when you want to learn something? Go to YouTube and let's learn from this guy.
The same image and the same prompt. So I have this image of me right here shaking hands with this guy. So what I'm gonna do is tell ChatGPT to change up this photo. I want it to replace the guy on the left with Dwayne Johnson, remove the woman on the right, and then just clean up the background.
Well, this is ChatGPT.
So I'm gonna start ChatGPT on that, and then we'll move over to Google and I'll tell it the exact same thing. Now, let's wait and see how long it takes each of these to work. You see this one is already starting to create it.
But Gemini Nano Banana is super fast.
But over here, Gemini is actually already done. So let's go ahead and open it up. You can see that
this actually looks like Dwayne Johnson on the left side, right?
There I am right there. The person on the right is gone. That is Dwayne Johnson. And it did an okay job of cleaning up the background. All it kind of did was add this blurriness, so not perfect. So I can come here and maybe fix that a little bit. I'll say, let's change the background to a gym, and I'll click on run. And while that's happening, I'll go back over to ChatGPT. This one is still thinking. It still hasn't finished with the first edit. So returning back here to Gemini, you see it's already done with the re-edit. And there we go.
Wow, the images, the characters are consistent. The background is changed and it looks natural.
There I am right there. There's Dwayne Johnson, and it changes it to a nice gym background.
And it's super fast, faster than ChatGPT. So in the next version of ChatGPT, you can expect faster results.
We're able to do 2 edits there before ChatGPT even finished the first one. So let's sit back, wait a moment, and see how long this takes. And finally, ChatGPT.
This is what I wanted to share with you. And this is the beauty of Gemini Nano Banana.
Is finished. This took several minutes to complete, while Gemini took only about 8 seconds for the first image to be generated. And coming in here, you can see just how bad this is.
Okay, now at this point, just to cover my failure at the first attempt, I will upload my selfie. And I will say, remove the mic and add a painting on the wall. Let's see how it goes. Now it's on editing mode. Okay, I am impressed. Are you not? This was the original image and this is the edited one. The mic is completely gone and there is a painting behind me without destroying the original image. It's unbelievable. My beard was covered with the mic and AI is generating beard in that covered area. And the painting on the wall has the same consistent blurriness of the background. Wow. So don't worry about these 3D images because I mentioned 3D. That's why the skin texture was kind of plastic looking. When you ask for something realistic, it will give you realistic. Okay, money is still waiting for us. Let's go.
Get images for each part of your script. Paste this exact prompt into the ChatGPT and replace the X with the number of images you need, and then paste your entire script here. Now ChatGPT will analyze.
Sorry, brother, we don't need ChatGPT. We have Nano Banana now.
Generating all the images, we have to turn them into stunning 3D animations. Go to Dream Machine model of Luma AI. By the way, I have put the link down in the description. Here, you can upload your image and turn it into amazing animations. Click on the image icon and upload the image we generated earlier. Then click on the camera button and choose the motion you want to generate the animation in. I would suggest choosing a slow and cinematic camera movement because it will give it much of a documentary vibe. Then click on the upload button and wait for your video to get generated.
So now you have to use some animation software like AI animation software to animate your image with AI. If you are worried that, hey, I came here to learn about making money using Google's Nano Banana, why are we talking about videos? Because here is the problem. If you go to freelancer sites like Fiverr, tons of people are already offering photo editing services. And because of the competition in the market, there is a race to the bottom with pricing. While you are learning Nano Banana, thousands of other people are already expert in Photoshop, and this Nano Banana thing is available to them as well. You need some kind of competitive advantage. No one wants to sell. No one wants digital marketing. No one wants to make videos. If you can learn this skill, make valuable videos, and drive traffic to your affiliate offers through your videos, then you will make money like these guys. I mean, we paid over $3 million in affiliate commissions to our affiliates who promoted our products as affiliates. And I personally made several millions promoting other people's products as affiliates. And affiliate marketing is all about sending traffic to the offer you are promoting, and now videos get you free buyer traffic. And AI helps you make videos without showing your face. Not only face, most of my viewers don't even want to record their voice.
To generate realistic voiceovers, we are going to use 11 Labs. It is the most realistic text-to-speech model on the entire internet, and it generates hyper-realistic voices. Go to their website and click on Voices. Here you can choose any of the voices in their voice library. Because we need a voice for a documentary, click on Filter and choose Narrative and Story, and apply the filters. Listen to all the voices and find the one you like the most. After selecting a voice, go to the text-to-speech area. Paste your script here, and for the sake of time, I will only generate the starting part of it. Then change the model
and all you need to do is to click that black Generate Speech button, and your voiceover will be ready in a couple of seconds. So the next step is read your script with AI voice. The next step won't cost you money.
Need to combine them all into a viral video. To combine all the animations with the voiceover, we are using this editing software named CapCut. It's free to use and it's quite simple for beginners. Click on the link in the description and install it on your computer. Then import all the assets we generated. Drag the voiceover and all the animations including B-rolls to the timeline. Then match the animations to the voiceover and do it for the entire video. To make it look more engaging, add the transition to all the cuts in the video. Go to the Transitions tab and choose any of these pre-made transition. Any transition like a blur or fade will work completely fine. Then add the text where we are showing the
It's drag and drop simple. Whenever you get stuck with anything, simply go to YouTube and search for it. CapCut has hundreds of thousands of tutorials. So this step was need the edit. And one of the main reasons I chose to show you this video
monetization strategy that I have been doing and just made about $150 yesterday. I'm talking about digital products. But instead of selling our own products, we are promoting someone else's product and they will pay us the commission. This business model works very great because you don't have to take care of orders or fulfillments or the payments. You just need to give your audience an affiliate link and you will get your commission. It's as simple as that.
And this is called affiliate marketing. But I agree with the video and the channel owner is because they have only 1,000 subscribers. But this video got 11,000 views. Wait a minute. This video did not get millions of views. But since in affiliate marketing, every single visitor is important. Every single visitor can potentially make you $1, $10, $13 or more on the average. You don't have to rely on virality. You will still make money even if your videos never go viral. So this step gives you sell affiliate offers and earn money. This is the Sparks method of making money without your own product, without going viral, using Google's Nano Banana. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.